Hello and welcome to this video. I want to greet you from the Iguazu Waterfalls. I came here to celebrate my birthday and our son is with us. He is visiting us and we came to show him also the Iguazu Waterfalls, and I am grateful to God for another year of my life. So I am starting with a new year of my life when I am 58 years old. So I am very thankful for everything God's changed in our life when He brought us to Paraguay. So we are very happy here and we want to help a lot of people live a better life here in this area, in this country. So we are on the side of Brazil now to visit the waterfalls, but it's just for a couple of hours. Then we will go back to Paraguay, and I wanted to show a little bit from the waterfalls with the time of my birthday. So thanks for the subscribers that are watching my videos. I have a lot of messages of appreciation that they like my videos. And I also am thankful to God for the clients that He sends me. So we are blessed and we have a happy life here. And I wish everyone to get a better life, a happy life. And I am thankful to anyone who contributed to this, those that asked for my service. So I am doing a great service and I want to help anyone to get the documents from Paraguay first or a property, so that anyone can have a better life. Thanks again for subscribing to my channel. I wish everyone a better life.